Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reply a specific message on Instagram. First you need to open the Instagram app on your phone, then find the direct on the top right corner, and here find some chats you want to reply some messages. And for example, I sent hi and I want to reply. I can just hold its message and here find the reply button. Click on it and reply to yourself, as can you see. And for example, I sent hello. And click on the send button. As I can see, it's work for this option, and we can reply to some other people message using this option. And it's all for today. Goodbye.